Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the S25 Ultra. Make sure it has power and a network connection so processes complete without interruption. Sign into your Samsung account now, or confirm biometric access is enabled because this method uses device credentials. Once done, go to Settings, then Biometrics and Security to locate Auto Sign-In and App Authentication options. You'll use these to store and apply a secure key for logging. Follow these initial steps precisely so later stages won't prompt repeated verification. Now you configure the log app itself, open it or load the web login in Samsung Internet. You'll enable the app's auto sign feature and choose biometric or a device PIN as the primary authentication because the S25 Ultra ties autofill to your secure enclave. Make sure to grant storage and camera permission if you plan to import QR or backup data. Also enable Android autofill service for seamless entries. By doing this, the phone can populate credentials quickly and securely when you access the log. Finish by testing a real login. Tap the username field, select autofill or the log app prompt, and authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN. The S25 Ultra will inject credentials automatically. If it doesn't, restart the phone, toggle the Android autofill service off and on, and reconfirm app permissions and biometric enrollment. Make sure to back up credentials to Samsung Cloud or export an encrypted copy. This preserves access if you reset the phone. If problems persist, re-enroll biometrics and reauthorize the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.